about to turn on. Super cold. We are in the back of my Mini Cooper, breaking in the Losi DBXL. We're going to do a quick range test before the Killer Bee RC switch kicks in. I'm working with a DX2E Spectrum, and it has the Spectrum SR4200, I believe. Let's see how far we can go before it. You can see it's still out there. It'll turn off. Control over it, and there it goes. It turned off. So I'd say that's halfway of 960 yards, because my driveway is about 960 yards. So let's get over there quick and hurry. Still have halfway to go to the house, and we were all the way out there. So I'd say it's halfway, and we still have control, but the Killer Bee RC switch actually killed the engine, so that's cool. So let's try to turn it back on. It's already hot. We don't need to put the choke on. There we go. Keep breaking this in.